You know the kind of damage birds can do. Most will eat up to a half a pound a day and damage a whole lot more. Most pest birds live in tightly connected social structures where their interspecies communications allow them to move and react in unison. At Bird Gard, we have digital recordings of the distress and alarm calls of the most common pest bird species. When combined with the sounds of indigenous raptors, we convince your pest birds they're on the menu. Unlike artificial hazing devices like cannons, bangers, and lasers that attempt to annoy birds into leaving, Bird Gard uses the bird's natural instincts to trigger a primal fear and flee response. Sophisticated randomization technology gives the impression there are many different birds under attack. This eliminates habituation so your pest birds don't come back. The raptors living around your area hear the sounds from our units and think there's a party. Soon you'll see lots of them circling overhead, looking for someone to play with. Why bother renting a falconer for hundreds of dollars a day when Bird Gard can make the local hawks, falcons, and eagles your frequent guests? Bird Gard products come with an unconditional 1-year money-back guarantee, so you can use Bird Gard for an entire year and return them for a full refund for any reason if you are not completely satisfied. Bird Gard units are simple to install in a blueberry patch, vineyard, or an orchard, and are designed to operate flawlessly for decades. Our largest unit protects up to 25 acres. We'll map your blocks to ensure birds are driven out of surrounding trees and foliage where they congregate. Got multiple crops with bird problems at different times? The same units can be used in your cherries, blueberries, apples, and grapes. Unlike falconing that chases birds, Bird Gard units ensure pest birds have no place to feed where they aren't threatened. They soon abandon your block to find somewhere else to feed. Bird Gard units typically cost around $200 an acre, once, not an annual fee. Bird Gard is used by some of the largest growers in the state, nationwide and around the world. Did I mention Bird Gard units are unconditionally guaranteed? For more information, go to birdgard.com or come visit our exhibit here at the show.